how you can create an ambiguous or an incomplete architecture?
Well, let's take the second part first. That first project I showed, which is called the Cascades, because there are a series of little 4- and 6-inch drops in water in this little stream that flows through that valley. When that project was completed, I was very proud of it because it was a modern building and it used low-cost materials. It was all like painted concrete block, aluminum siding turned on its end that was used for the walls and for the roofs. And it was built, and I thought it was a modern building, and some people thought it was modern. Then other people thought it was Dutch colonial. Other people thought it was a Mediterranean hill town. And other people thought it was a California contemporary building. And at the time, I was really pissed at all those other meanings that were put on it. But in looking back on it, I realized that it was ambiguous, and that was good because it could be what anybody wanted it to be. Now, as far as incompletion gets into the imagination and is also ambiguous, because when somebody sees something that's incomplete, like a ruin, when somebody sees a ruin, they want to imagine what it would be if whatever happened to it hadn't happened, and what did happen to it to make it like this, etc. So, but by just it being incomplete, it is ambiguous. Did that answer you, John?
Yeah.
How can materials make architecture different? Like different materials, I don't know. Nature and stuff.
I gave you a piggy bank for your birthday. There's no reason for you to try to stump me. I thought we were friends. What was the question again, Noah?
How can materials make architecture different, like nature and stuff?
Materials can make architecture different by how people experience them. People will experience one material as being smooth when they rub their hand across it, or it can be rough, or it can be soft and be sound absorbent, or it can be hard so that the sound that bounces off of it is harsh. So the materials have a big effect on how architecture is perceived. Are you happy with that note?
She checked with her mother.
Anybody else? No? Thank you. I really appreciate it.